Hello, I'm David M. Chester, founder of the Chester Law Group. I want to personally welcome you to the Chester Law Group family. I, my attorneys, and all of my staff want you to know that we will work hard to earn the trust you have placed in us as we handle your personal injury claim. I know that choosing an Ohio personal injury lawyer can be a stressful decision. I want to congratulate you on taking the first big step in protecting the legal rights of you and those you love. Now, you will find over time that having a lawyer on your side fighting for you against the insurance companies was a wise decision. Besides welcoming you to the family, I designed this DVD to provide you with detailed step-by-step valuable information that you need to know to help your personal injury claim go as smoothly as possible. While no one can guarantee results, over the years I have found that clients who follow the advice summarized in this DVD do better and are happier on average than those who don't. Much of the advice on this DVD is common sense, but I wanted you to hear it from me. You may have already heard some of the information in this DVD from our staff, our books, or our DVDs. However, hearing important information more than once is good to make sure it sticks with you, thus allowing you to help yourself in your personal injury claim as much as possible. I encourage you to read my book entitled The Insider's Guide to Handling Ohio Accident Claims, and watch my other DVD entitled What You Should Know About Motor Vehicle Injury Claims, if you have not already done so. I would like to take a moment here to allow a few more key members of your Chester Law team who will be working with you to introduce themselves.
Hello, if we have not already met, I'm Attorney Vince Kloss, and I'm Attorney Chester's right-hand man here at Chester Law Group. I want to take a moment to personally welcome you to the Chester Law Group family. You may have seen me with David on our first DVD entitled What You Should Know About Motor Vehicle Injury Claims, where we discuss the personal injury process in Ohio. I am a lawyer member of your Chester Law Group legal team. I will be overseeing the entire development and processing of your personal injury claim from beginning to end, along with David, of course. Among other things, I will be meeting with the paralegal members of your team on a daily basis. I will be talking to auto insurance adjusters, doctors, and when applicable, your health insurance company or representatives of Medicare or Medicaid. I will be dealing with legal issues behind the scenes to make sure your claim goes smoothly. I'm available for phone calls or in-person meetings when you need to discuss legal aspects of your case throughout your time with us here at Chester Law Group. I will assign a paralegal team member to call you periodically and check in on your medical treatment and how you are doing after treatment is completed. Know that although insurance companies take their time in processing personal injury claims, and it does take time to properly gather all documented medical evidence needed to get you a good settlement, I am dedicated to getting you a fair settlement as quickly as possible.
Hi, I am Attorney Jennifer Rubino. I am one of the attorney members of your team here at Chester Law Group. I focus primarily on introducing new clients such as you to the Chester Law Group family. In fact, you may have already met me when you signed up with us. If we haven't met yet, I want to say welcome to the Chester Law Group. Like Vince, I will be working on the legal issues of your case, behind the scenes, as well as helping Vince and David settle your claim once you are done treating. I want you to know that you are in good hands here at the Chester Law Group. We really do care about doing our best for every client, and we will aggressively fight for you with the insurance companies. So relax, focus on your treatment, finding out what is wrong with you and on getting better, and know we are here working for you every day. Welcome.
Hello, I'm Teresa Fisher, and I want to welcome you to the Chester Law Group family. I'm the operations manager here at Chester Law Group. That means I keep the trains running on time, so to speak. In particular, I, along with David and Vince, oversee all the paralegal members of your team from an operational point of view and make sure that your interactions with them go smoothly and are helpful to you. You will find that my paralegals are very helpful on a day-to-day basis as they meet with the lawyers every day to discuss your claim. By the time your case is settled, you will be surprised about the actual amount of work that's done on your file. Some files are half a foot thick or larger. A lot of behind-the-scene work goes into making sure you get a fair settlement. I'm available for phone consultations if you ever have any issues that one of my paralegals cannot help you with and you don't feel it's necessary to speak to an attorney member of your team. Once again, welcome to the family.
As we begin our discussion of how your personal injury claim works and what you need to know to help your own claim be successful, I need you to know three things. First, that your active participation is key to a good outcome of your personal injury claim. You see, your participation with doctors in this office is a big part of determining the success of your personal injury claim, as you will see as you watch this DVD. The information you provide to your doctors in this office over the course of your claim will mold your particular case. The more information you provide about your medical status and what is going on with you during your case, and the more involved you are with your doctor in making treatment decisions, the better your outcome will probably be, all things being equal. You need to actively participate in your medical treatment and in keeping us informed about how you're doing, special tests that have been done, and things like that, so we can push the insurance company to set enough money aside for your particular claim, called a reserve. You need to let us know when you move, change phone numbers, change health insurance companies, have a second accident, file bankruptcy, or anything else that directly or indirectly affects your personal injury case or our ability to help you with your claim. Second, I need you to know that we use the team approach here at Chester Law Group. This means that several lawyers and paralegals will be working together on your claim throughout your time with us. Lucky you. Now, you may have met one of our lawyers who signed your claim up at one of our offices or at your home. Now, this lawyer, along with several others who you will hear about or even meet in the weeks ahead, will help assure a positive outcome of your case. Who is my lawyer, you might ask? We are all your lawyer. Chester Law Group is your lawyer. Each one doing what we do best to help you get well, get back to your life, and get the most money possible for your claim. Like I said, as your case progresses through the stages of the personal injury process discussed in a minute, specially trained paralegals and also me and other lawyers will work with you to accomplish each of the 4 phases of your claim. Now don't worry, we'll let you know which member of your team is spearheading the next phase of your case. Trust me, you want many different well-trained eyes looking at your case under the direction of an experienced personal injury lawyer. By having specifically trained paralegals help the lawyers handle each part of your claim, their expertise can be used to your advantage. For example, don't you want a nurse paralegal working on your medical records gathering? Of course you do. Their medical expertise comes in handy, making sure that every single injury is properly documented, nothing is missed or overlooked, and you receive money for each one. Now, when your settlement is being negotiated, don't you want a lawyer and paralegal combination who spend all day in negotiating settlements and are intimately familiar with the insurance companies and the individual adjusters? It's kind of like asking yourself, if I need brain surgery, do I want a general surgeon who does all types of surgery like removing warts, or do I want an expert who does nothing but brain surgery all day? You want someone who has done exactly what you need at that time so often and knows every possible issue that it's old hat for them. After handling thousands of successful cases, it is this experience that leads to the best results. Now, the rave reviews I receive from my clients on a regular basis would seem to confirm this. Remember, you are a part of your Chester Law Group team, and you have to do your part if you want a good outcome on your personal injury claim. Third, be patient. There's a saying in the personal injury field, you can get paid quickly or fairly, but not both. Things take time. The process is more like a marathon than a sprint. From getting medical records from your doctors required by auto insurance companies before they pay your bills with MedPay, to collecting all of your records to submit a demand package to getting an offer from the insurance company, to litigating a case when the offer is not fair, things take time. Truly, we cannot control these things to a large degree, and the only other alternative is to file suit and take years in court with a judge to resolve your claim. So be patient, and odds are you'll be rewarded for your patience. Now, in this DVD, I have distilled down my experience from thousands of personal injury cases over the years to give you just the information you need to know exactly when you need to know it to protect your rights. The non-fatality personal injury process can be broken down into 4 distinct phases. These are 1, the treatment phase, 2, the record gathering phase, 3, settlement phase, and 4, litigation phase if necessary. Now, on this DVD, we will cover each of these phases one by one. Each section can be watched by itself if you wish. Along with regular contact from those members of your team specially trained to handle each particular phase, you can use this DVD as a quick reference guide to what is happening during each of these 4 phases of your claim. During each phase, I will discuss information important to you to focus on during that phase of your case. For example, when you're in the treatment phase, you should watch the treatment phase several times to fully understand what is going on and what you should be doing during that phase of your case. I suggest you watch the entire DVD once or twice, then watch each particular phase as your claim enters that phase. Of course, remember, my staff and attorneys are always available to discuss your case with you or to further explain anything you hear on this DVD. We're with you every step of the way. During each phase of your claim, our office will be working behind the scenes to help make sure that the insurance company can and will pay you a fair settlement on your claim. Sometimes, in special circumstances, we may talk to you about skipping one or more of these phases, such as if we know the insurance company will not make a fair offer right from the start. We may encourage a quick filing of a lawsuit. But in general, you can assume your case will follow the 4 phases discussed below. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of what you need to know as a member of your Chester Law Group team, I want to discuss one more subject, that of referrals. If you're satisfied with how Chester Law Group is helping you, please recommend us to family and friends who have been in an accident and need legal representation. Don't be afraid to talk to us about this. You will feel good knowing that you were able to help your friends or family members in their time of need. You can feel proud knowing you protected them from the insurance company by introducing them to a law firm that will be both caring and aggressive in their representation. You'll be able to pass on the knowledge you learned from us and keep them from stepping on the landmines of the personal injury process. Give them a copy of my other DVD or my book. Call one of them. Have them call us. Referrals are the backbone of our growth here at Chester Law Group, and we depend on referrals from happy clients to keep us growing. So let's get started with phase 1 of your claim, the treatment phase.